Here we're on a deck. We're going to be cleaning, pressure washing this deck. Has just a lot of hardened lichen here all along inside the boards and crevices. And then we're also going to be patching this deck. So we're going to use some patch here along the edges, down the stairs. And then we'll be applying a kind of a once-over product on this deck. Because this is an older deck and it's got existing stain, we'll go ahead and just put a kind of a thicker once-over product, thicker stain, and to cover some of these imperfections after we wash it. So this is a before video, Daystar quality. You can find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeckguy.com.